In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Discord account. Verifying your account is a quick way to prove your email belongs to you, strengthen your security, and unlock certain features on servers that require a verified email. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Discord in your desktop app or web browser and sign in. If you prefer mobile, the flow is very similar, but I'll describe it from the desktop perspective for clarity. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open user settings. From there, select My Account. This is where you can see your username, email, and other core account details. Next, go to the security section. In this area, Discord helps you manage important safety settings. You should see your email listed and whether it's verified or not. If it says unverified, that's what we're fixing. Click on email to view your current email details. If the email needs attention, Discord will usually show a prompt here. Now click edit. This lets you make changes to the email field if needed, but it's also where you'll trigger the verification process. Make sure the email shown is the one you actively use and can access right now. If you need to update it, do that before continuing. Look for the option to send a verification to your address and click it. Discord will immediately send a verification code to your inbox. Keep the Discord window open while you check your email so you can come right back. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check spam or junk folders. Some mail providers also have a promotions or updates tab, so look there as well. If you still don't receive it after a short wait, use the resend option in Discord and confirm that your email address doesn't have any typos. Open the email from Discord and either click the verification link provided or copy the code shown in the message. Return to Discord and enter the code exactly as it appears. Codes are time limited, so complete this step promptly. Never share this code with anyone. It's meant only for you. Once the code is accepted, you'll see your email status change to verified. That's it. You've successfully verified your Discord account. If you return to My Account and Security, you should now see the verified status reflected there, confirming everything worked as expected.